12 says find X, and if we look, this angle Q is inscribed and intercepts this semicircle here, which we know is 180 degrees. The angle is half the arc, so 4x plus 6, that's the angle, should be half the arc, half of 180. I'm just going to call 90 right away. So if we subtract 6 from both sides, that means 4x is 84. Dividing by 4, x is 4 into 8 is 2, 4 into 4 is 1, 21. And since that's a variable, I don't have to label it as a degree. Now 13 wants the measure of angle ADC, which has been marked here as 7y minus 1. And you'll notice it intercepts arc AC. But the other information on this problem is that angle ABC is 10y minus 28, and it also intercepts arc AC. So both of these arcs, or both these angles intercept the same arc, which means they're both half the arc, which means they're both equal. Therefore, 10y minus 28 has to equal 7y minus 1. We're bringing the 7y over, and while we're at it, we'll add 28. We get 3y is 27. Dividing by 3, y is 9. And then answering the question, angle ADC is 7 times 9 minus 1, or 63 minus 1, or 62 degrees. And I am going to label that a degree because notice I did find an angle. Now 14 wants us to find Z, and we're in the same situation as 12, where 8z minus 6 marks this angle here, angle B, which is an inscribed angle, so the angle is going to be half of arc AC, or half of 180. So 8z minus 6 is half of 180, which I'll call 90 right away. Adding 6 to both sides, 8z is 96. Dividing everything by 8. C is 8 into 9 goes 1. And that leaves me 16. 8 into 16 is 2. So Z is 12. No label required there. It's just a variable I found. And finally, 15. Well, finally for this video, find measure of angle EDF. And EDF has been marked as 2x plus 3. Intercepts arc EF. But the other information on this picture is that EGF, which has been marked 75 minus 2x, also intercepts arc EF. So two angles that intercept the same arc have to be the same. So 2x plus 3 must equal 75 minus 2x. If I bring the 2x over, and at the same time I subtract 3, then 4x is 72. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 goes into 7 one time, leaves me with 32. 4 goes into 32 8 times. So x is 18, but we go back to the problem that wants angle EDF So 2 times 18 plus 3, or 36 plus 3 gives me 39.